Hi there, students. To wizen, wizened as an adjective, and I guess wizenedly as an adverb. Okay, to wizen means to shrink, to become shrunk and wrinkled, particularly from old age or from illness. So if you look at an elephant has incredibly wizened skin. It's very wrinkly. Yeah, it's sort of like it's dried up. Okay, so wizened. Yeah, thin and wrinkled, caused by it shrinking. Okay, so withered, dried up, but particularly with age. So his wizened hands continued working. His wizened face, his thin wrinkled face, the old woman's wizened skin, yeah, it's shriveled. So wizened as an adjective, wrinkled, lined, worn, dried up, gnarled, if you like. And this is the idea of wizened. It's something, it's particularly skin with lots of lines in it, but especially because of old age. He was a wizened old man with very deep wrinkles all over his face. Yeah, so if your skin is wizened, it's dry and it's got lots of lines, lots of wrinkles, but especially because of old age, although it could be from illness as well. Okay, so wizened. To wizen as the verb, his skin slowly wizened over time. Yeah. Okay, so to wizen as a verb, it's probably, as a verb, it's much more unusual, but wizened as an adjective, wrinkled, lined, creased, weather-beaten. Yeah, his wizened face. A wizened old person, they've got lots of lines. He was a little wizened old man with no teeth, so wizened. This is talking about skin, wizened features, but this is talking about live people. It particularly talks about the skin. I'm thinking if there's a drought and the earth is all cracked, I guess you could call it wizened, but it's more descriptive of the skin of something, particularly the skin of a person. Okay, so let's see, formality. This sounds rather literary. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality, maybe a 6. Let's see, I think informally I would say wrinkled. Use it in a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, or something literary that sounds more formal as well. Okay, I think the collocation particularly is wizened features. Yeah, his skin became more and more wizen as the years went by. And then as to origin, okay, let's see. There's an Old English word, wisnian, meaning wizened, and that itself comes from Proto-Germanic wesana, meaning to consume, to become eaten away. Yeah, so yeah, your skin, well, it shrinks up, it slowly disappears, and this is the idea of wizened. So yeah, I guess my well, I'm not particularly wizened yet, just grey. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Wizen.